It's Kohl's Super Cyber Monday. Earn $15 Kohl's cash for every $50 spent. Take an extra 20% off.
Alright, let's get started. First box. Come on. Got Bogdanovich, Rudy Gay, Bam Adebayo. I think that's a parallel. Thaddeus Young, Joe Harris, Peyton Pritchard, got Al Horford, Rudy Gobert, Rookie Reflections, JJ Barea, and Campazzo. I'll have to random that. Donovan Mitchell, Jaden McDaniels, Devin Vassell, got Clint Capella, Jason Tatum, Kyle Lowry, Trey Jones, got Lonzo, Grant, we got a acetate of Jokic, Shining Stars, Robert Covington, Isaiah Joe, Tyrese Halliburton, Got Eric Gordon, Marvin Bagley, Theo Maledon, Oladipo, Markelle Fultz, Desmond Bain, DeAndre Hunter, Chris Middleton. Got career lineage of Tracy McGrady. Maledon again, and Zeke Naji.
During fire pit season, we don't waste any time at all. When we get back together, it's like we
Got Kyrie, Josh Jackson, Acetate of Bradley Beal, Mystique, Gary Trent Jr., Sam Merrill, Jordan Nora.
You know the best memories are made together.
Got Tobias Harris, Kevin Porter, Ellaby, Karl Anthony Towns, Malachi Flynn, There's a correction on the absolute at the bottom of the description. It's at 10:30. Keldon Johnson, Malachi Flynn, Instant Impact, Dame Lillard, Poku, Azubuike, got Gordon Hayward, Miles Turner, Victor Oladipo, I don't even know who Boucher, Victor Oladipo, Theo Maledon, got a career lineage of Julius Randle, Markelle Fultz, Zeke Naji, Desmond Bain, D'Angelo Russell, Ricky Rubio, Luka, Robert Covington, Jason Tatum, Isaiah Joe. I can't tell these parallels worth of shit. If y'all see a parallel I'm not sleeving, let me know. I'll go back through them with someone else and find the parallels. Which team card? This one? I'm gonna roll a dice for it. Got Drummond, Devin Booker, Opie Toppin, Buddy Hield, Isaiah Roby, and a Tyrese Maxey.
I may have moderate to severe rheumatoid arthritis or psoriatic arthritis, but we are so much more. We're team players and artists, designers and consultants, parents and friends. If joint pain is getting in the way of who you are, it's time to
Got Jaylen Brown,
Endo helps relieve joint pain.
Sabonis,
Stop permanent joint damage. Plus,
career lineage of Kevin Garnett,
psoriatic arthritis. Ask your doctor about Endo so you can get back to your trees.
LeBron,
Endo may lower your ability to fight
Skylar Mays,
sometimes fatal
and
events,
Patrick Williams.
tuberculosis, lymphoma, other cancers, nervous system blood disorders, and allergic reactions have occurred. Tell your doctor if you've been someplace where fungal infections are common, or if you're prone to infections, have cuts or sores, have had hepatitis B, have been treated for heart failure, or if you have persistent fever, freezing, bleeding, or illness. Don't start Endo if you have an infection like the flu. Visit Envil.com to see how your joint damage can progress. Envil. Eligible patients may pay as little as $5 per month.
Got JJ Redick, Jordan Clarkson, Zion, RJ Barrett, Killian Hayes, got Steph Curry, Eric Bledsoe, Acetate, Living Legends of Tracy McGrady, Colin Sexton, Anthony Edwards, there you go, and Najee Marshall. I literally can't see these parallels worth of shit. Yeah, man, they have like some kind of color parallel. That pretty much is it. And these, it says you got a chance of an auto, but other than that, I'm not sure. Tyler Hero, that's a parallel, I'm pretty sure. Shake Milton, Russell Westbrook, Xavier Tillman. Got Serge Ibaka. Rookie selections, LaMelo Ball and Alonzo Ball. That's sick. Probably not worth that much, but got Melo on it at least. De'Aaron Fox, Campazzo, Jalen Smith. That'd be a good one to random off though. Got Fred Van Fleet, Terry Rozier, acetate of Fred Van Fleet, clear shots, Kevin Love, Killian Hayes, and another Anthony Edwards. Got Lou Williams, Bobby Portis, Trey Young, Buddy Hield, Isaiah Roby, and Najee Marshall.
They just send you a cool box every month.
Devin Booker, Nico Mannion, Instant Impact, LeBron James, Xavier Tillman, Campazzo,
Awesome, guys. Absolutely razor sharp. Scour the globe and having under the radar brand stuff that makes you go, ooh. All the hobbies that I'm into. Whiskey, tech, BDC. You guys can tell them what you want and then we'll tailor a box for you. You can swap out the box if you don't like them. The value of every box is at least around $70, if not more. Giving yourself a gift every single month. So let the spoon post do it for you.
got Jaylen Brown, Sabonis, Bradley Beal, RJ Barrett, Jalen Smith, got JJ Redick, Jordan Clarkson, career lineage of Charles Barkley, Colin Sexton, Precious, and Okongwu. Got Steph Curry, Eric Bledsoe, Mason Jones, Shake Milton, Russell Westbrook, Okoro. Last box. Keldon Johnson, Jordan Clarkson, I'm pretty sure that's parallel. DeJounte Murray, Karl Anthony Towns, Emmanuel Quickly,
Everything I needed, and it was actually so simple. I can't wait to surprise my friends with you. Shop now at Michaels.com.
got Gordon Hayward, Miles Turner, rookie reflections of De'Aaron Fox and Tyrese Halliburton, Dame Lillard, Sam Merrill, Jordan Nora, Steph Curry, parallel, Oladipo, Malachi Flynn, got D'Angelo Russell, Ricky Rubio, Acetate James Harden, amazing, Markelle Fultz, Azubuike, Paul Reed, got Brandon Clark, John Collins, Cole Anthony, Robert Covington, Jason Tatum, Poku, got Porzingis, Darius Baisley, James Harden, season's highlights, Kevin Lowry, Theo Maledon, Zeke Naji, Alright, gonna random these, the dice. So 1 through 3 will be left side, 4 through 6 will be the right side. On this one, 1 through 3 will be the top. So I'm rolled dice for this one. It's a 5, so it's going to the Nuggets. Julius Randle. I guess I need to do that to who he played for the longest, so I'll set that aside. Same with McGrady. KG. Charles Barkley. And then the one we care about, LaMelo. Let's roll for this one. It's going to 3, so it's going to the top. It's going to LaMelo. The Hornets. And then, real quick, I'll flip through what I have in top letters right now. Got Maledon, Cole Anthony, Poku, Acetate James Harden, Steph Curry, Rookie Reflections Tyrese Halliburton, De'Aaron Fox, Manuel Quigley, Koru, Okongwu, Fred VanVleet Clear Shot, Anthony Edwards, Tyler Hero, Steph Curry, Living Legends Tracy McGrady, Anthony Edwards again, Zion, LeBron, Skylar Mays, Patrick Williams, Devin Booker, Tyrese Maxey, Poku, Malachi Flynn, Bradley Beal Acetate Mystique, Theo Maledon, Desmond Bain, Halliburton, and Jokic. That's the break. Appreciate y'all for joining. I'll see y'all on another one.